Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will be comparing two exciting smartwatches from Oppo. Both of these watches offers a range of features designed to enhance your lifestyle. Let's compare and see which one might be the better fit for you. First, compare the body features. The Oppo smartwatch offers its own unique design and features. Both smartwatches comes with 518 water grade. When it comes to display technology, Watch 4 Pro offers an LTPO AMOLED display, and the Watch SE comes with an AMOLED display. Now compare the battery features. Both smartwatches have an up to 10 days battery life on a single charge. Next, compare the connectivity features. Let's have a look at the sensors. Next, move to the performance and price. We hope you have an idea now what are the differences between these smartwatches. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.